the block sphere, Frank. You hopefully see the block sphere to the left, right? So here you see the block sphere that you normally use to visualize like a 1-qubit state vector. And here you see 3 different fractal equations, and they are coming alive, in this case, from a superposition state. Hopefully, it's kind of clear that this state vector like travels along the equator here. So in this case, for each 6 degree, it could have been anything, but in this case, for each 6 degree, I take a snapshot and I get the state vector. I get the 2 complex numbers for each 6 degree, and then I generate these 3 different fractal math animations. So in the first animation, I compress the 2 numbers, I divide them to just have 1 complex number. So this is like kind of the Mandelbrot version, the very first animation you see here. And these 2 other animations, I make use of both complex numbers by using this rational function I showed you before, like this Julia set mating.